sent this E1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner by Yonnder. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you what's inside, how to set it up, and how to use it. It came nice and securely packaged and included a user manual, a crevice tool attachment, 2 filters, the power adapter, this wall bracket, a cleaning brush, a bristled brush attachment, an extension tube, a floor head brush, and the body of the vacuum. Before using it for the first time, it's recommended to let it fully charge, which takes about 4 to 6 hours. When it's fully charged, the battery lights will stop flashing. Insert the extension tube into the body. You'll hear a click when it's secured. Then do the same with the floor head, and then the vacuum is all set and ready to use. Because this vacuum is cordless and lightweight, it's easy to carry, lift, and maneuver. It's great for cleaning carpet, hard floors, sofas, and hard to reach areas. The detachable telescopic tube design makes this vacuum flexible and easy to switch between cleaning smaller areas like stairs and larger areas like floors. I love that the tube can be adjusted to your height so you're more comfortable while you're cleaning, and this feature also makes it possible to clean tall, hard to reach areas like the ceiling and above door frames. This crevice tool is helpful with tight and awkward spaces like between couch cushions or windowsills. And this bristle brush attachment works great at cleaning inside my car and on my couch cushions, and as you can see here, this vacuum really does have great suction. The floor brush can rotate 180 degrees left and right and can rotate 90 degrees backwards. And something that's really cool about this vacuum is that it has LED headlights to illuminate dust and other debris, and it's especially great for dark areas like under a couch or under my TV stand here. The brush head is made up of soft and hard bristles. It cleans deep into carpet fibers to easily pick up hair and debris and lifts dust easily from hard floors. I love how you can easily go from carpet to hard floors without having to change the floor head. Just press the mode button here to switch between hard floor mode and carpet mode. The LED display also shows the battery status, which is helpful so you can have an idea of how much battery is left while you're cleaning. And this button turns the vacuum on and off. This vacuum uses a brushless motor, which reduces the friction loss and wear. Because of its high efficiency, low noise, and long life, it has lower energy loss during use. This vacuum runs 35 minutes for cleaning on hard floors and 18 minutes for deep cleaning carpets. It has the option to remove the battery pack and charge it separately, or you can remove the tube and charge the entire vacuum unit placed on the floor or a counter. It also comes with a wall bracket so it can be hung from the wall, plugged in, and charged when not in use. This vacuum has a 5-stage filtration system with a special cyclone filtration system design that separates and traps dust, hair, debris, and large particles. It has a large capacity dust cup that holds 500 milliliters, which allows you to vacuum for longer without having to empty the dust cup all the time. The brush is easy to clean. Turn the brush head over and push out the roller release button. Take out the brush roll and use a cleaning brush to pick off any hair or debris that might be tangled around the bristles. This vacuum has a 1-click empty dust cup. Just press this release button while holding it over a trash can to easily empty it. The filters are washable. It's recommended to clean these regularly to maintain the efficient filtering and cleaning performance of the vacuum. Just remove the filters from the body of the vacuum and rinse them with clean water. Once they're completely dry, you can place them back in the vacuum. I'm so impressed with this E1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner by Yonnder. It does a great job at keeping my house and floors clean, and I love that it's easy to use and has so many cool features. If you're looking for a great quality vacuum, I highly recommend this one.